Now we will see the lesson I want. Now here is the story of monkey. The name of the story is I want. So now let's see what this monkey wants. So you can see here monkey and this is the wise woman. Wise woman means we can say fairy also. So what monkey says? I want to be big. Yes, says little monkey. I want to be strong. This little monkey want to be big and it wants to be strong. He is saying himself only. And when this monkey was saying this himself, the wise woman hears his sound. Who hears his sound? This fairy, this wise woman hears monkey's sound. The wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says. Then when this wise woman hears monkey's sound, she says this monkey, take this magic wand. This is magic wand. She says to monkey, take this magic wand. This is monkey and this wise woman says, monkey, take this magic wand. So magic wand is like this. And all your wishes can come true. Then my woman, this fairy says that when you will use this magic wand, your all wishes means whatever you want, it will come true. A giraffe, and when this monkey takes this magic wand, after some time a giraffe comes by. Where this monkey was, there a giraffe comes. He stretches his long neck. In the last lesson, Haldi's adventure, we have seen the animal giraffe. So like this giraffe, a giraffe comes there where this monkey was. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. You know very well that the giraffe has long neck and the giraffe can eat the leaves which are on the top of the tree because it has long neck. So now this monkey is impressed by giraffe's long neck and the monkey wants giraffe's long neck. So he has magic wand now. Whatever he wants, it can come true. So this monkey says, I want a long neck, says little monkey. Little monkey says to this magic wand, I want a long neck like a giraffe. And suddenly the sound comes pop. And what happens? This monkey gets a neck like giraffe. His neck grows long. That monkey's neck grows long. And it has become now like a giraffe. His little monkey is happy. Now he wanted to get giraffe's neck. Now he got giraffe's neck. Now he is very happy. An elephant comes down to the river. After giraffe's neck, now he got giraffe's neck. After giraffe, second animal comes. Which is that? Elephant. Now next, which animal came there? Elephant. Elephant came where the monkey was. He fills his trunk with water. Now what elephant is doing? Elephant is taking water in his trunk and he blows it all over himself. Now you can see elephant is taking bath by filling its trunk in the water and he is throwing that water himself only and taking bath. Now I want to do that too, says little monkey. Now what is monkey's next wish? First wish was giraffe's neck. Now what is the next wish of monkey? The monkey wants a trunk like elephant. Now it is second wish of monkey. And suddenly he gives order to this magic wand and suddenly what sound came? Bang! And the monkey got elephant's neck. Here you can see the monkey, new monkey is here. Face of this monkey is same, but the neck of monkey has become giraffe's neck. And the monkey got a trunk like elephant. Just like that, he grows a trunk. So now trunk has grown on monkey's face. He is very happy. Now the monkey is very happy because his two wishes has come true. This is fun, he says. Now the monkey is saying, this is fun. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. Little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. Now the third wish of monkey is zebra's stripes. What is the third wish of monkey? Monkey's third wish is zebra's stripes. Now he wants stripes on its body like a zebra. Now he is giving order to that magic wand, and suddenly the sound comes. Whiz. Little monkey has stripes all over his body, just like the zebra. Suddenly the sound came. Whiz. And the monkey got stripes on its body like a zebra. So what was the first wish of monkey? Giraffe's neck. What was the second wish of monkey? Elephant's trunk. And what is the third wish of monkey? Zebra's stripe. First which sound came? Pop. Then second, bang. And third, whiz. He is very happy. Now the monkey is very happy because whatever he wanted, he has got. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. Now the monkey wanted to try its trunk like an elephant, and he also going to take bath like elephant. So he go to the river, near the river he went, and he saw, or he looks down. He looks down. The monkey is looking its face in the river. There is river, and we know that in water we can see our own face. So what happens here? He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down in the river. He sees himself in the water. Who sees himself? The monkey sees himself. Now the monkey is seen in the river's water. Mother! He cries, Mother! Now he is very frightened because he is seeing something different, something strange in the water. He cries, Help! A monster! The monkey is thinking there is a monster in the river's water. But is it monster in the river's water? No. The monkey is looking like a monster because the monkey got giraffe's neck, the monkey got elephant's trunk, the monkey got zebra stripes. That is why he is looking a strange animal. That's why it is looking like a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. Mother said, no, it is not a monster. It's you. Mother said, it's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Then mother is reminding him. Mother is reminding to the monkey that you wanted these all things. So now you are looking like that. So it is not a monster. So don't cry. Little monkey cries and cries. Now when the monkey saw its face in the river's water, now he is very sad. Now the monkey is crying and crying. I look awful, he says. I look awful. I don't like my face. I am looking something strange. The monkey is saying, I want to be myself again. Now the monkey is saying, how I was like that, I want to be like that only. Now I don't want giraffe's neck, zebra stripes, elephant's trunk. Again, this is also wish of the monkey. These first three were also wishes of the monkey, and this is also fourth wish of the monkey, that I want to be myself again. He wanted to see before how it was looking like that only. So there is a pop, bang, and a whiz sound. Three sounds happen: pop, bang, and whiz. And little monkey is himself again, and the little monkey came back to its own face, he jumps for joy. Now the monkey is very happy. Here you can see the strange animals: giraffe's neck, elephant's trunk, monkey's face, and zebra stripes on the body. And you can see in the river, the monkey is seeing its own he is very frightened and he is crying. And again he said that I want to be myself. In the poem, I am lucky. We have seen that we should be satisfied, we should be happy how we are. We should not expect more from God or anyone. So we should be happy with ourselves only. So he throws the magic wand into the river. Now the monkey threw this magic wand into the river because now he does not want to use it, because he has seen what is the use of this magic wand and how it has made him sad. So now he threw this magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. And now he is very happy with his own face. Now he doesn't want to become anyone else again. The story is written by Judy